Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the baby toilet lock. If you guys don't know what this is, basically it's a toilet lock that will allow the seat to stay down and so that your baby won't be able to open and close the seat whenever they want to. And the reason why I purchased this is because not long ago, Giselle was in the bathroom and she tried to lift up the toilet seat and she tried to throw one of her toys inside. And I was like, oh no. This is not gonna keep going like this. And before it gets worse, I have to purchase this and I have to put it on right now because I just want to avoid all of those things. Like, what if she throws inside, I don't know, like her bracelet? What if she throws in her bracelet in the toilet? Like, how am I gonna get it? That's the whole reason why I purchased it. I think this is something that's very, very useful. I think every parent should get this. I think every parent do get this. So guys, before we get into this video, if you guys like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe right now to my channel so that you don't miss out on any further new videos. So let's get into this video right now. Hey guys, so we're in the bathroom right now, so it's echoing a little bit. So the first step you would have to do is get a alcohol wipe. You're gonna have to wipe down the area where you're going to stick the toilet lock. So make sure you have a alcohol wipe. Alright guys, so I purchased 2 of those. So it's a pack of 2. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. And then I'm also going to show you guys how to use it. Alright, so let's get to it. So the first step you wanna do is wipe down with the alcohol wipe. And then you just wanna wait until it dries. I think you can just dry it with a towel. So the next step, you wanna just test it out. I think this is a perfect spot. So then the next step is to, of course, take the sticker off. And then you want to make sure you got the right spot again. And it says that you should wait 24 hours for you to be able to use it, but I think everyone needs to use the bathroom before 24 hours. So we're just gonna wait a couple minutes. But in the meantime, we're gonna go to the other bathroom and do the same thing with the other toilet. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So basically now it's locked and I'm gonna show you guys how. So I tried to lift this, you can't lift it up. So now if you want to use the bathroom, you press on this button and move this to the side, and now you are able to use your toilet. Now if you want to lock it again, you just press on the button and it locks on its own. Super easy, right? So I'm going to show it to you guys one more time. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. It was a very, very short video, but it was just to show you guys how to install it and how to use it. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. And again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like, share, comment down below. And guys, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye guys.